Hi guys, welcome to TechTworks tutorial. Today we are going to talk about how to make money using Clickasnap. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's dive right in. On Clickasnap, you can actually make money by selling photos, participating in revenue sharing based on views, offering exclusive content, promoting your profile, and participating in challenges and attracting clients for photography services. This actually is a platform that enables photographers to monetize their work through various avenues, including photo sales, ad revenue, and additional services. So for us to begin here, what you can do is go to your web browser and go to clickasnap.com. And here you can actually, before you get started, you can view the details on what Clickasnap is and how it works. Here it basically you just need to sign up. You can upload your photos, and per user view on your photos, you will get paid for those photos that has a view with a maximum of $15 for you to be able to withdraw the money. So you'll be able to see a lot of videos that you can use for you to make money as a photographer. You can look into these details that would definitely help you in the platform. There is also a short description that is being provided. They actually offer as well image protection technology, and they also have a automated marketing system in the future as well. So here, with comparison to other image platforms like Flickr or Viewbug, you'll be able to see that some of these platforms does not monetize and they only have limited storage. But comparing this to Clickasnap, you will definitely be get paid for every view you have for the photo you've uploaded, and you also have unlimited storage. Here you have the different features that you can take advantage here on Clickasnap. And in order for you to register, you just need to click on Get Started. You can fill out all the details like username, email address, and create your password. Or you can use your Google account, Twitter, or Facebook to log in or sign up for a Clickasnap account. So we will just need to sign in here. Okay, once you have filled out all the details, you will be routed into this page where you will need to choose a plan. There is a free plan where for every paid view you only owe 1 cent, and you only are limited for 20 uploads per day. But once you have the subscriptions, your uploads will be unlimited, and as you go higher with the subscription, like a pro, you'll actually get paid higher as well. So here we'll just start with a free plan, and from there what you will do is to fill out all the details. So you need to upload your image. You can also add a banner, your bio, your website if you want that included, and you also need to input your username as well. So here, since this is a new account, I currently don't have an image uploaded, but if you want to upload an image, just click on the button on the upper right corner of the screen, and here you just simply click on the click here, or you can just drag and drop the image into the box provided so that you will be able to upload the photos. And before you will be able to upload a photo, you can actually look into the other images as well on this platform. You can explore into what type of images are they commonly uploading here on this platform. You can even search for keywords or key tags depending on what image you are looking for. And for every image that a user will click, it actually will be counted as one view here on your account. So for example, once you have uploaded a lot of photos already, and for every search that you or a user will look into Clickasnap and your image will be one of them. When they click on it, you'll be able to see that there is an eye icon that would indicate on how many people or how many users have viewed the image already. So here you can see that this image right here only has 4 views, and it also will indicate as well the likes on this image. So you can definitely browse into this image. Some of this image may not relate to what you're searching for, but most of it will be relating to the image that you are typing in on the search pad. Here, this is their marketplace on what type of services they're selling. And what you can do is here you also have the cart and the notifications icon where you'll be able to receive your notifications and preview that. So here we'll try to upload a photo. So as I mentioned earlier, we can simply just open the folder where the photo is located and just simply drag and drop that here into this left side part of the box. Just look for an image here. This is an image that I've created in Canva. I'll just look into that here. So you can actually use image that you've taken personally, or you can also use image that you've edited or illustrated through different editing platforms. Here. So I'll just drag this here. Then from there, once it has been uploaded, you can name the image you have, add the description or what the story is about. And it's also important to have all the tags that you can think of that could relate into the image so that you will have more chances that your image will be viewed once the users will be searching for that specific topic. So the more tags you have, the more possibilities that your image will be one of the results on the search bar. Just filling out the tags here. So you can definitely add words that you can think of, let's say blue or ocean, marine life, pattern, or digital. You can definitely incorporate that here. You can also select on what category the image falls in. Then once done, you can just click on upload one photo. Then once that is uploaded, it will be located or it will be posted into your account. And for every person or user that views your image, that would definitely be counted as a one paid view onto your account already. And that's basically it. So the more image you've uploaded, the more you will get monetized for every image that you've uploaded here on Clickasnap. And that's basically it. That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.